Hello again, guys. This is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. I am super excited to see you today. Today in the studio, we're going to make some body butter. But before we get into that, I want to let you guys know that every single one of my recipes will be found in my Patreon. My Patreon is full of candle making recipes, skincare recipes. There's so much there. You will not be disappointed. And also, guys, remember, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss the up and coming videos that will be featured this fall. Listen, I'm doing so much this fall. So many classes, free classes. Guys, if you want to book a one-on-one coaching session with me, listen, that information is in the description box as well. You guys can sit down with me and get everything you need to get your candle making business started. You don't want to just bounce all around YouTube trying to figure it out, wasting a whole bunch of money. Who wants to waste money right now in this economy? I don't think nobody do. So if you want to get started with your candle making journey, go ahead and book your session today. Well, guys, let's talk about what we're going to be doing today. So y'all, listen, we are headed into the fall season, and I know it's still hot outside, and y'all probably still up here making y'all popsicle soaps and things like that, using y'all firecracker bomb pop. But let me tell you something, you got to put it up. It's time to put it up, okay? Time to put it up, okay? In the wintertime, in the fall time, people typically look for those beautiful, sleek, luxurious body butters, okay? I made some with water. I've made some without water. This is actually a body butter that I've never made. I'm combining a whole bunch of ingredients to give you guys a beautiful recipe, something that you have probably never felt before. So let me tell you guys what we are putting into this recipe. I have a printable PDF where you can print this out and you can go step by step and make this recipe, okay? Okay, so in this recipe, we have distilled water, vegetable glycerin, beef tallow. Listen, y'all, beef tallow, okay? Palm oil, coconut, any kind of carrier oil that you would like to use, emulsifying wax. We have some cetyl alcohol, we have fragrance oil, vitamin E, and we have a preservative. Now, let me tell you something. This is by far one of the best recipes that we have developed on this channel. Now, guys, I'm not going to hold you guys up. In one bowl, I have my phase A, and this is just my water and my glycerin. I always use glycerin in my recipes because glycerin is a humectant and it helps draw in moisture, okay? So I love using glycerin, and it's actually cheap too. So I have that in this bowl, and then in this bowl, I have all of my butters and my oils. Okay, let's get into it. So you want to go ahead and mix your phase A with your phase B, and then you want to go ahead and grab your immersion blender. And this is a very important step because you're going to use this all throughout the process. Usually we kind of put it to the side, but because this palm oil is a different type of texture, you will need this. And another thing I do want to mention is palm oil have to be heated up at least to about 180 to 190 degrees. I want you guys to allow this butter to cool down naturally. Do not add it into the refrigerator or the freezer or put it in a cold space just so that it can move along faster. The reason being is because the palm oil will mess up. It will get really grainy and you don't want that. So just keep taking breaks. Walk away, honey, come back, stick blend it. Walk away, come back, stick blend it until it gets super thick. Okay, so this is the fragrance that I'm going to be using. It's called Jimmy Choo Man. This is a really good dupe. I actually sell fragrances on my website periodically. We do pre-sales. Like right now, we have Tootie Lemon Delucy Sweet Buttercup on there, and that's a Bath and Body Works type. They don't sell that at any other candle supplying company, and it's a really good fragrance. That's my Gucci Guilty right there. So we usually do pre-sales. If you guys are following me, follow the Patreon because I usually post it in the Patreon. Even if you join as a free member, just follow the Patreon and you'll know exactly what kind of fragrance we have up on the website. So this has thickened up quite a bit, but it's not quite as thick as I would like it to be. But I just continue this immersion blend slash stick blend because I don't want to have like a lot of lumps and chunks and stuff like that. So I take a break, come back, take a break, come back. As you guys can see, my butter has thickened up quite a bit and it's really pretty. Let me tell you something. When I tried this out on my skin. I was so shocked at how fast it absorbed. One thing I always try to do when I create a lotion or a butter is I try to create a lotion that don't give me too much drag. I don't like to sit there and be rubbing my lotion in for years just to get it to, go into the skin. So this came out really good. I'm going to do like a quick demonstration. So I'm going to apply quite a bit on here so that you guys can really see. Oh my goodness, let me tell you something. You cannot charge people, cheap for this butter because you have a lot of beautiful, expensive ingredients in it. So this butter is something completely different. I'm not selling mine. I'm not selling mine. This is actually my butter, and I'm going to be using it, and it is beautiful. Look at that beautiful texture, how creamy it is. And then guys, did you see how quick it went into the skin? It's amazing.